जी हाँ। अस्सलाम वालेकुम क्लास 7 बुक द लर्निंग ऑफ साइंस चैप्टर नंबर 13 current electricity, and now we will do its exercise. First of all, filling the blanks. Filling the blanks by finding the correct words from the lesson. In 1600, a man named Dr. William Gilbert used the term electrica for the first time. Electrons and protons attract each other because they contain opposite charge. Next is the current is measured by a device using ammeter. The resistance is measured in units called ohms. Schematic diagram is a pictorial way to show the circuits. Next, move towards the true false. Write T for true statements and F for false statements. Electrica is a Greek word which describes the electric charge. False. Electrons are larger than and heavier than protons. False. Current is also known as a potential difference. False. Some common insulator materials are glass, plastic, rubber, air and wood. True. Human body is a good conductor. Human body is a good conductor of electricity. False. Next is choose the correct answer. Choose the best answer. Which electrical charge is carried by electrons? Negative, positive, no charge, negative. In which of the following current is measured? Volts, ampere, potential difference, ampere. Which of the device is used to measure voltage? Ammeter, parameter and voltmeter. Which of the following opposes the flow of electrons? Which of the following opposes the flow of electrons? Voltage, current, resistance. Which of the following are good insulators? Which of the following are good conductors? Copper, iron, rubber, wood, steel and copper and iron. Which of the following are good insulators? Steel, iron, copper, air, wood, rubber, glass, wood, iron, air, wood, rubber. The symbol for the battery is a schematic diagram is like this. Which of the symbol is used? Which unit is used to measure sound? Is decibel. In a parallel circuit, in a circuit current flows for same all directions, parallel, series, both series. Next is question answers. We will move towards the question answers of this chapter. Electric current and circuits. Electric current and circuits. Next is question answer. First one is short answers. What is static electricity? It is due to the stationary electric charge typically produced by friction, which causes sparks on the attraction of dust or hair, which is caused by the attraction of dust or hair. Next is question number 2. Define atom. Define atom. Answer. It is the smallest particle of a chemical element that can exist and is composed of small particles known as electron, proton and neutron, which is known as the smallest particle, which is made up of electron, proton and neutron. Next is question number 3. What is electric current? Answer. It is defined as the rate at which current flows through wires or the rate at which electric charges flows through a wire, for which electric charges flow through a wire. Next is fourth. What is the unit of resistance? What is the unit of resistance? The unit of resistance is ohms. The unit of resistance is ohms. Next is extensive questions. Question number 1. What is conductor? What is conductor? Answer. Some materials allow electricity to pass through them. These materials are commonly known as electric conductors. Most metals are considered to be good conductors of electric current. Copper, iron and steel. Copper, iron and steel are good conductors of electricity. That is why the parts of electrical components which need to pass electricity through them are mostly made up of metals metals. Next is question number 2. What is the difference? What is the difference between fixed and variable resistors? Fixed resistors are used to reduce the flow of electricity in circuit. They also reduce the chances of overheating. The component, their level of resistance is fixed, and for this reason they are called fixed resistors. So they are called fixed resistors. Next is variable resistors. Variable resistors are made of long coil of nickel wire. It is used to control the resistance of light bulb, and we use this kind of resistor in our circuit. We can control the brightness of light bulb. We can control the brightness of the light bulb. Next is question 3. What is an electric current? Answer: when we connect various components together with wires, we build an electric circuit. We build an electric circuit which consists of just one battery, and one load resistance are very simple to analyze, are very simple to analyze. This was your last question of chapter number 13 electric current and circuits, book learning of science class 7.
वीडियो पसंद आई तो लाइक करें, अपनी राय कमेंट करें। ऐसे ही मजीद वीडियोस के लिए हमारा चैनल सब्सक्राइब करें और बेल का आइकन दबाएं ताकि आपको हर वीडियो का नोटिफिकेशन मिलता रहे।